Hi there, it's Anne. We're starting a new series today. Not the person you normally see doing a series of lessons, but I'm going to try and take this one on. We're going to paint a simple bowl of blueberries. I hope you join me, and I hope you have fun with it. Let's go get started. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to start right from the very beginning and make some sort of sketch here for our painting. Just so you can see it's all fairly simple. There's the simplest of bowls. And I'm going to erase what I used as a back line there and then work on filling my bowl. I do want it to kind of have a lip though, so I'll put that in now. There. And then I'm just going to keep this very, very simple. It's a bowl of berries. So just nice big plump blackberries, blueberries. And this one will have pointing this way so you can see the end. That will just be a reminder to put that in there. And I think over here this one will be sitting more upright like that. I think we need just a hint of one down there. Right at the edge of the bowl. That's looking a little funky. And the spaces in between will just become really dark as a suggestion of the layer of berries underneath. And we'll put a big fat one up here. And he's going to be pointing that way. There, and really I think that's enough berries for the bowl. And I'm going to put just a couple of strays on the table. So there's one, two, the little stem bit on top. They're sitting flat on the table, so they're going to land that way up. And a third one here. It's always good when you're grouping things like the berries outside of the bowl here to keep an odd number. For some reason that makes the eye much happier. So I went with 3, although I've grouped them 2 and 1, but I have 3 berries to keep that number odd. I think I'm going to put one of those stem ends here. Otherwise you've got a lot of berry with nothing interesting happening on it. And there, that's my sketch. Now what I do next is my faithful kneaded eraser. I'm not going to do this too thoroughly because you're going to want to be able to see the painting, but what I do when I'm painting for myself is just gently press like this and lift up most of the pencil. So I can still see my guidelines, but they're not really, really strong. And there, that's my sketch. And next time we'll start with the painting. And that's the very start of our new painting. We've got the sketch down. Tomorrow we start with paint. Join me then. And until then, remember, Denny and I love and appreciate every one of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. See you tomorrow.